We're back with more on the WHHI News. Joining me now is Maddie Tucker. She's the chairperson at the StAndrewByTheSea UMC Bridge Builders. Tell me what that is, Maddie.
Well, Bridge Builders started in around 2015 after the tragic shooting at the Mother Emanuel African American Church in Charleston. And several members of our congregation decided that we needed to be educated and then educate others about racism and inequity in our local and national communities. So that's where it started. And actually we just started out educating ourselves, reading books, having discussions, having speakers come in, panels come in, and then taking that information and joining with other community groups to help promote good community and make people aware of. So we work
it's very important.
Yeah.
And I know you've got a special event coming up. We really have a jewel on Hilton Head Island, which is Mitchelville.
Yes.
That is the focus this year. The event is March 2nd. Tell me what you're going to be doing.
Well, Ahmad Ward from the historic Mitchelville Freedom Park, he's the executive director, and he will do a presentation on the funds that he's received. Mellon Foundation gave $2.3 million
wow. Amazing.
to make Mitchelville a place where visitors and locals alike can come to learn about the gem that we have here.
Absolutely.
So many of us kind of know about it, but there's just a lot of sand and
hasn't been a lot of development of it. But with these funds, what kinds of things is he going to let people know about? Do you have any kind of like preview as far as what the plans are?
A little bit of preview. He will talk about. There's going to be like a fountain. I know, like the Freedom Square or Plaza. And then from there, there'll be an interpretive trail that'll take you through the different parts with the historic markers.
Excellent.
There'll be a lab, a learning lab for children and adults to go in. They'll have not like fake houses or things, but make it look more like the community that it used to do.
Sure.
Yeah, right now there's a praise house just a fronting, and they'll do more things that will maybe look
It'll make it feel more authentic when you're actually there, which is kind of neat. So you decided with your group, the Bridge Builders, that we're going to have this event. Is it at the church? Do we pay a fee? When is it?
It's free to the public this Saturday at 10 a.m. He'll have a PowerPoint presentation that he'll do. It'll last about an hour.
Okay. And
he'll show the renderings of what they've got planned.
That's very exciting.
It is.
Yeah, and nice of you to share it with the community too.
It's so important because, like I said, for so long we've just taken it for granted. Yeah, it was there and something happened there.
Yeah, when you live here, rather you say, well, I'll get around to going there, or but it does draw people to the area, Mitchelville, does it not? And
I'm surprised and flattered that the people who come to visit us here on the island on vacation, we'll tell them to stop by, and they'll say, it's really nice. I wish there was more.
And now we will have
more.
Well, Maddie Tucker, again, it's this Saturday, March the 2nd, 10 a.m. at the StAndrewByTheSea Church, correct?
You're 20 Pope Avenue.
Okay, you're going to have some refreshments too?
Afterwards, we'll have a reception, and you'll be able to talk to Ahmad. And it
meet everybody.
Yeah. Oh,
and
it's
get
amazing
excited.
What the people draw for these lectures.
Absolutely.
All over.
Well, Maddie Tucker, thank you for what you do, and thanks for coming on WHHI.
Thanks for having me. Good to see you again.
And we will be back in just a moment.